So Robin wants a wheelbarrow that's bigger than his toy wheelbarrow that we have, and we found this one that's broken.
Yeah.
But it's got a good tire.
Yeah.
And we have another wheelbarrow that has a good tub and a bad tire. But the first thing we need to do is to make new wooden arms.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah.
You ready? Should you get what? Not yet. You need to make the handle.
Okay, yeah. You have to. But guess what?
What?
How much work's the capital?
What's the what?
Oh, no. It says, the camera says it's running out of batteries.
Okay, well I'll do this cut and then we'll put new batteries in it.
Do you think it needs new batteries? It might.
Yeah.
Are you cutting off?
No, it's just making sure this one's the right size. Not too fast.
That's cool. Can we check if I'm right or wrong?
Yeah.
That needs new batteries.
I'm pretty sure it does.
You're pretty sure it does?
Yes.
So, that symbol.
Yeah. Let me get new batteries for it. And another one for you.
These are what came off of the second wheelbarrow. The bad one over there. This one. We can see which one's bottom's the worst. The bottom of... There's time for taking off everything, especially the hub. Wait. I want to see what the wheel looks like when it's off of the wheel.
Okay. We're almost done. Go in just a second and on the burgers for us.
What?
What?
What just happened?
Just slipped it off. These carriage bolts are a pain in the neck.
camera's recording, Dad.
Okay. Recording my butt. There.
It's too low to record your butt.
All right. So now we've got the tub off. All right. There. One tub off. I'm gonna bring the camera inside. This is day 2 working on the wheelbarrow.
What?
That's what I'm talking to the camera. He said. And we need to figure out where to put these triangle pieces on the handles. So we're just going to mark that out and get them ready to go on.
Oh, Daddy.
Alright, so I'm going to mark out. We can get these attached on now. Bring them back in the shop and get them attached on.
Oh, little one. You think it will last? This wheelbarrow will last a long time
I think it will.
because how we fixed it. This one's.
There.
Got it.
Yep. One handle done-ish. Let's just put that over there. Do the other one.
That's what we do. So what's that thing? What's that?
This is glue. Probably don't really need the glue, but it's easy to put on a little bit of glue and it'll really make this not move at all.
Wait, did you do that one?
Yes.
Too?
Yes. Get the buttons glue.
It sounded like rock and roll music just going, but not probably not on the camera.
I'm probably pretty loud in the camera. There.
Now here it is. Now how is that going to be on the wheel? Then we have to just take off.
So now I've got these set up on the sawhorses so I can mark out where the holes are. These guys. Yep.
Push up on here.
Yep.
There, I got it up.
I was gonna wash your tarp for you. Is there a specific way you'd like me to do it?
No.
I was thinking I would just kind of get the stuff off and spray it and let it dry and then put it away.
That's
Keep pushing it up.
keep pushing it up.
Keep pushing it up.
Hold it up.
Keep holding it up.
Okay, hold it up like that.
Yep.
I'm keeping it up.
There we go.
There we go.
Whoa, no, do it again. Sorry.
Why?
Can you push it back up through? Put it, no, not that one. Through this hole right there.
it up?
Yeah. Okay, let's see. Keep holding it. Just hold it.
Okay.
All right. Almost done. There you go. Now you can let go. All right.
Okay.
And now do the same with this one on the whole.
We're done. And then let's go.
It's gonna be a little too big for you, but